we are discussing the same chapter amines and anilines. So rest of the questions of exercise problem today we will discuss, and the question number 30.7 is given. Write short notes on the following. Write short notes on the following. Write short note on the following. The first one given, Carbyl-amine reactions. Carbyl-amine reaction. So you know that carbyl-amine reaction is given by the primary amines, either aliphatic or aromatic. When aromatic amines or aliphatic amines is treated with the chloroform and potassium hydroxide, formations of isonitrile having the bad taste. So this reaction is not given by the secondary or the tertiary amine. So what is carbyl-amine reaction? Just like RNH2 plus CHCl3 plus 3KOH, formations of, you will see here R isonitrile NC1 plus 3KCl and plus 3H2O. So this is isonitrile having the bad taste, and this reaction is known as the carbyl-amine reaction. It is the special type of reaction which is given by only the primary amines, either aliphatic or the aromatic. So whenever questions arises as a short notes, so write down the reactions simply. Next question is given diazotization. It's a very familiar terms, you have to read number of times. The aromatic amines like the aniline. Second one, diazotization reaction. Diazotization reactions. What is diazotization reaction? When aniline is treated with the sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at very low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, formations of the diazonium salt takes place, or benzene diazonium chloride, and the reaction is known as the diazotization reaction. And in case of aromatic amines, it is only stable because of the resonance stabilization takes place, but in case of aliphatic amines, it undergoes diazotization, but in presence of moisture immediately convert into alcohol. Just like C6H5NH2, this is aniline. When treated with the NaNO2 sodium nitrite and plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, formations of diazonium chloride. This is N2Cl plus and minus and plus 2H2. This is benzene diazonium chloride, and the reaction is known as the diazotization reactions. Is it clear? Next short note is given, Hofmann bromide reactions. Number of time we have discussed. Third one, Hofmann bromide reactions. Third, Hofmann bromide reactions. So you know that amide, when treated with bromine and potassium hydroxide, formations of amines takes place. This reaction is known as the Hofmann bromide reaction. Just like RCONH2, when treated with the bromine plus 4KOH, formations of RNH2, this is amines, and plus formations of 2KBr plus K2CO3 and plus this is 4 and 2 here 2H2O. So this is Hofmann bromide reactions. When amide is treated with bromine and potassium hydroxide, the formations of amines takes place, and the reaction is known as the Hofmann bromide reactions. You have to read in the theory portions. Next one, coupling reaction. Actually, this reaction is in the diazonium salt, but in this year, this chapter has been released out or removed from the syllabus of class 12. So you see what is the coupling reactions. Coupling reaction, just like the anilines or phenol treated with the benzene diazonium salt, formations of di, azo di, such reaction is known as the coupling reaction. Just like in case of force coupling reactions, when diazonium salt like this N2Cl, this is minus plus, treated with the phenol in basic medium, this is H and OH, in basic medium OH minus, this is pH is equal to 9 to 10. So formations of para-hydroxyazobenzene, this is N, this is OH. This N2 group is called the azo group, and the name of this compound para-hydroxyazobenzene of the orange color, orange dye you can say. This is para-hydroxyazobenzene, and the reaction is known as the coupling reactions. Is it clear? Next is given ammonolysis. You know that ammonolysis? The alkyl halide is treated with the ammonia, formations of primary amine, further secondary, tertiary, and finally quaternary amines formation takes place. That is the first preparations of the amine. That is called ammonolysis. Acetylation. What is acetylation? When acetic anhydride treated with the anilines, formations of the compound, this is called the acetylation reaction. So we have number time discussed. We have discussed already. Next given Gabriel thalamide synthesis. What is Gabriel thalamide synthesis? Sixth one is given Gabriel thalamide reactions, in which in which this is Gabriel thalamide reaction is, first of all, thalamide, this is thalamide, first treated with the potassium hydroxide, KOH, formations of N-potassium thalamide, and H and OH release out as a H2O. This is COON, this is minus and K plus, potassium thalamides. Next one, it is treated with the alkyl halide RX, this is minus KX release out, K and the X, this is minus and this is plus, this plus attack at the nitrogen, formations of N-alkyl thalamides, this is N-alkyl NR, this is N-alkyl thalamide, and followed by hydrolysis, it convert the thylic acid COOH and the primary amines RNH2. So this is the special reaction and very convenient method for the preparations of aliphatic primary amine. This method is not used for the preparations of aromatic primary amine. So this is the simple solutions or answer of the given naming reactions. Next question, this is 13.8 is given. Accomplish the following conversion. Accomplish the following conversion. Accomplish the following conversions. Following conversion. Which conversion is given? Accomplish the following conversion. First one given, nitrobenzene to benzoic acid. How do you prepare? Nitrobenzene to benzoic acids. So this is nitrobenzene and this is benzoic acids, COH. So how do you convert? Actually, this type of conversion, first you think, how do you prepare benzoic acid? Don't think about the nitrobenzene. So benzoic acid means benzene having the COH group, and COH group very easily released are given by the cyanide group. If the benzene have the cyanide group, and by hydrolysis it will convert into the benzoic acid and the ammonia gas release out. So you should try to prepare benzene nitrile or benzene nitrile, and then you can very easily convert the benzoic acid. If you have the benzene nitrile, this is C6H5Cl. So what will happen? The hydrolysis of cyanide convert into the benzoic acids. This is COH and plus ammonia gas. So you should try prepare the benzene nitriles. How do you prepare? So very easy. First of all, this nitrobenzene on reduction with the 4H in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it convert into the amines, 2 hydrogen 2H2O, 4 hydrogen, this is 6H2O. So 2H2O and the 2H is the formations of NH2 group. This is 2H2, FeCl3r, HCl, whatever you can take as a reducing acid. Fe plus HCl, what you can take anyone, reducing agent. So formations of aniline means reductions of nitro convert into the amines. So it is formations of aniline, NH2. Now diazotization, NaNO2 and HCl, NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it convert into the diazonium salt. This is N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, and this benzene diazonium chloride on reactions with potassium cyanide or CuCN and KCN. This reaction is known as the Sand-Meyer reaction. It is treated with the CuCN or KCN. This is KCl release out, nitrogen releases and CN attack here. So this is formations of benzene nitriles, and which on hydrolysis H2O H plus, this convert into the benzoic acid and plus ammonia gas release out. So this is way to prepare the benzoic acid from the nitrobenzene. First reduction followed by diazotization and lastly Sand-Meyer reaction. The diazonium salt when treated with the potassium cyanide or the potassium bromide, this reaction is known, this is the replacement of nitrogen from here, and this reaction is known as the Sand-Meyer reactions. Is it clear? This is called the Sand-Meyer reactions. Sand-Meyer reactions. Next conversion is given, that is benzene to meta-bromophenol. This is given benzene to meta-bromophenol. Benzene to meta-bromophenol. How to prepare? This is benzene to meta-bromophenol. This is OH and meta positions, Br. So what is changes? Benzene having one OH and one the Br at meta position. This is the meta-bromophenol. So how do you convert this? So it is very necessary, first of all, introduce the group at the benzene center which is meta-directing. Is it clear? First you introduce such type of the group on the benzene center which is meta-directing, and then convert in the group into the OH group, that is the phenol. So you know that nitro group is the meta-directing group. So first benzene is on nitrations with the nitric acid, comp nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid. This is formations of nitrobenzene, and which on brominations in presence of AlCl3, AlBr3, that is the formation are bromine and the Fe in presence of Fe. This is formations of meta form because the nitro group is the meta. This is NO2Br. This is meta bromonitrobenzene. This is meta bromonitrobenzene, and this is bromine and Fe. You can write here in this way, bromine and Fe. Fe as a catalyst. Now it is NO2 group convert into the phenol. How do you convert? You know that when benzene diazonium salt is treated with aqueous KOH, simply boiled, it convert into the phenol, OH group. So first it convert into the NH2 group, SN plus HCl as a reducing agent, formations of this is NH2 group, amines, and here already Br, and this aniline convert NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it convert into the diazonium salt. This is N2Cl plus and minus, and then simply treated with the boil with the H2O. So minus HCl and N2 and OH attached here. So formations of metabromophenol plus nitrogen and plus HCl. This is metabromophenol. Second convergence. Next one, benzoic acid to aniline. Third one, benzoic acid to aniline. How do you convert benzoic acid into aniline? It's a very simple terms. If you have the benzamide CONH2, so now after Hofmann bromide reaction, bromine and KOH, you will convert into the amines. So it is necessary to benzoic acid convert into benzamide. How do you convert into benzamide? So when benzoic acid treated with ammonia NH3, it convert into the ammonium benzoate CONH4, followed by heated release H2O to convert into benzamide, and then Hofmann bromide reactions. You can prepare the benylene from the benzoic acids. Next reaction is given conversion. This is aniline to 2,4,6 tribromobenzene. Aniline to 2,4,6. Next, fourth is aniline to 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So you know that very well. The aniline to 2,4,6 tribromofluorobenzene. Tribromofluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene. That is aniline NH2 to 2,4,6 tri F, Br and Br and Br. How do you convert 2,4,6 tribromo fluorobenzene? So first of all, when aniline is treated with bromine water, it activated all these three centers. 3Br2 in presence of H2O, it convert into 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, because in polar solvent it activated all these centers, ortho, meta, ortho, para and ortho position. So formations of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Now how do you convert NH2 group into the fluoro group? So first of all, it would be convert into the diazonium salt. You know that diazonium salt formation? This is NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This is convert into the diazonium salt. This is N2Cl, Br, Br and Br. Now this diazonium salt N2Cl is to be converted into the fluorine group, fluorobenzene. So how do we convert? This is by HBF4. This is HBF4, fluorobaric acid. This is formations of fluorobaric acid. This is the course of the diazonium salt. Actually, diazonium salt we are not taking because it is not in the course. So HBF4 first convert into the diazonium fluoroboric acid. This is N2BF4. This is N2BF4, Br and Br and Br. Now N2BF4 and then further heated, it convert into, now heated, this is BF3 nitrogen, release boron difluoride and the nitrogen gas, and it is convert into the fluoro, Br, Br and Br. So keep in mind the fluoroboric acid used for the convergence of N2Cl into the fluorine. Means this is the replacement of nitrogen from the diazonium salt by the fluorine group. Is it clear? Keep in mind. Next question is given. This is chlorobenzene to para-chloroaniline. Chlorobenzene, fifth is given. Chlorobenzene to benzyl chloride to 2-phenylethanamine. Next is benzyl chloride to 2-phenylethanamine. 2-phenylethanamine. This is benzyl chloride. You will see this is C6H5 CH2Cl and it is 2-phenylethanamine. This is CH2NH2. So one thing is very clear that when you have the CN group and this CN group on reduction, this is 4H, it convert into CH2NH2. So it is very necessary to convert benzyl chloride into the nitrile form, and then nitrile reduction give the convert into CH2NH2. Means one carbon more can be prepared by introducing the cyano group. So how do you convert into the cyano group? So you know that benzyl chloride first of all is treated with alcoholic KCl, CH2Cl is treated with alcoholic KCl. So KCl release out and formations of benzyl nitrile CH2Cl, and now you can do by the reductions, and by the reduction it convert into the, this is lithium aluminum hydride, this is 4H CH2NH2. So it is convert into CH2NH2. This is 1 and 2, 2-phenyl, 1,2 carbon with amine, ethanamines. Is it clear? Next is given, next conversion is given chlorobenzene to para-chloroaniline. Chlorobenzene to para-chloroaniline. How do you convert? This is chlorobenzene and para-chloroaniline. This is Cl and NH2 group. So how do you introduce the NH2 group at the para position? Then you will get the para-anilines. So when chlorobenzene is treated with the nitrations, first of all you know that NO2 group on nitrous reduction give the NH2 group. So introduce the NO2 group, and because of the chlorine it is para-directed. So nitro group attack at the para position. So nitrations of chlorobenzene with HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4 formations of, this is ClNO2, and on reduction with the SNF-HCl it convert into the NH2 group. This is Cl and NH2. This is para-chloroaniline. Next question is given, that is aniline to benzamide to toluene. How do you convert benzamide to toluene? Another question is given, aniline to para-bromoaniline. Another is given, aniline to para-bromoaniline. Next, aniline to para-bromo aniline. How do you convert aniline to para-bromo aniline? This is first aniline NH2 and it is converted into the para-bromo. This is NH2 and the para position bromine. So you know that in presence of bromine and water activated all these three center of the benzene, ortho, para and ortho position. But whenever control the nitrogen group, NH2 group of the nitrogen by acetylation, it gives the major product para product. So it is necessary to control the nitrogen group of amine by the acetylation reaction. So which activate only one center. So first it is treated with the NH2 group is treated with the acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O and the formations of this is NH 1SCH3COH release out and formations of NHCOCH3. Now brominations, this is Br2, then formations of Br attack at the NHCOCH3 and here Br position. Now on hydrolysis H2OH plus, this is formations of NH2 and this is Br plus CH3COO. This is para-bromo aniline. So very simple conversion. When one more 1 to 2 times you will do, you can very easily do all the conversions. Next question is aniline to benzyl alcohol. Sorry, benzamide to toluene. Next is benzamide to toluene. Benzamide to toluene. This is CO NH2 to convert into the C6H5CH3. This is toluene. How do you carry out this conversion? Benzamide to toluene. So first of all, benzamide to toluene, it is necessary to convert into the amide into the, this is amide into benzene and followed by Friedel-Crafts reaction. How do you convert this amide into amide to benzene? This is CONH2 when Hofmann bromide Br2 and KOH, it convert in aniline. This is NH2 which treated with MnNO2 and HCl, it convert into N2Cl and this N2Cl replacement by hydrogen to which group? By H3PO2. When H3PO2 is treated with this, it is converted into the benzene, replacement by hydrogen. And H2O, in presence of H2O, this converted in H3PO3 and one hydrogen replace here nitrogen and one hydrogen HCl release out. Now Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this is CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it converts into toluene and HCl is released out. This is toluene. Next one, this is aniline to benzyl alcohol. How do you convert aniline to benzyl alcohol? So in this first method you will see here aniline to benzene. How do you convert first aniline to the benzene and then benzyl alcohol? So first try to convert the aniline into the toluene, the same process. Aniline as the same process is converted in toluene. This is the given, and then fluorine and HNu presence of HNu. This is formations of CH2Cl and plus HCl. This is benzene chloride. and this aniline to benzyl chloride. Now this is treated with the aqueous KOH. It gives benzyl alcohol CH2OH. This is benzyl alcohol. So very simply you can convert the aniline into the benzyl alcohol. Now next question 13.9 is given. Give the structure of A, B and C in the following reactions. Next is given. Give the reactions of structure of A, B and C in the following reactions. Give the structure of 13.40. Give the structure of A, B, C in the following reactions. In the following reaction. The first one is given. This is CH3CH2I in presence of NaCl and the formations of A. Now partial hydrolysis OH. This is partial hydrolysis to form B. And then B is treated with the sodium hydroxide and bromine. NaOH plus Br2 formations of C. What will be the A, B and C? So you know that when iodide is treated with the sodium cyanide, NaCl is Nai release out and the compound become A is the CH3CH2Cl. And Cn on hydrolysis, what will form? This is amide, CONH2 group. On hydrolysis, B become CH3CH2. This is the hydrolysis of the nitrile group. This hydrolysis of nitrile group, it gives the CH3CONH2 group, and then this C, this is A and this is B, and C or this is Hoffman bromide reaction, NaOH and Br2. This convert into the CH3NH2. This is C. So you can do very well. This is propane nitrile. On hydrolysis is give the ethanamide, and which on treated with the bromine and sodium hydroxide, it give the amines. So this is A, B, C. Next question is given. This is benzene diazoxide chloride. This is next one is given C6H5N2Cl is treated with the CuCl, RkCl. So formations of A, and A on hydrolysis H2O H plus give B, and B is treated with nitrous acid to give C. SNO2, this gives the C. What is A, B and C? So this reaction is very simple. This is the Sandmeyer reaction and it is converted into the cyanide. So the reaction becomes C6H5N2Cl in presence of CuCl, formations of C6H5Cn, and Cn on hydrolysis convert into his compound. When the Cn is on hydrolysis, it convert into the, in which form? Amide form. CO, first of all it convert into the Cn on hydrolysis. Second, the Cn on hydrolysis convert into the benzoic acid, cyanide convert into the acid H2OH plus. This is C6H5COH and ammonia gas release out. This is B, and B is treated with the nitrous acid. B is treated with the, not nitrous acid, ammonia, NH3. So NH3 first convert into the ammonium benzoate. This is C6H5CONH 4 and minus, and further heated. This is H2O release out, formations of C6H5CONH2. This is benzamide C. This is benzamide. And third one is given. This is ethyl bromide is treated with KCl. ethyl bromide CH3Cl, CH3CH2 Br when treated with the KCl, formations of A, which on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form B, and B on nitrous acid at 0 degree Celsius, HNO2 at 0 degree Celsius form C. What will be the product? So obviously clear that this is CH3CH2Br when treated with KCl. This is CH3CH2Br and KCl minus KBr release out as A formation CH3CH2Cl, and which is reduction LiAlH4. This is formations of B CH3CH2 CH2NH2 in amine, and nitrous acid. So it is diazonium salt, but it is unstable, and in presence of water it converts into the alcohol. So what will be product? This is HNO2 at 0 degree Celsius. First is converted in CH3, CH2, CH2 and 2Cl. It is unstable, and in presence of moisture H2O, simply formations of stable product CH3, CH2, CH2OH plus N2 and plus HCl. So this is alcohol product. C is the alcohol. Get clear? Next one is given. This is nitrobenzene is treated with FeSCl. Fourth is nitrobenzene is treated with, this is C6H5NO2 is treated with the FeSCl to form A, and this A is treated with sodium nitrite NaNO2 HCl at 0 to 5 degree Celsius, formations of B, and B on hydrolysis H2O H plus, formations of C. So what is A, B and C? So you know that CCH5NO2 on reduction with FeSCl, this is the reducing agent, convert into amine. This is C6H5NO2 plus Fe plus HCl, it convert into C6H5NH2. This is A. And aniline on the diazotization reaction, NaNO2 and HCl 0 to 5 degree Celsius, it converts into the benzene dialuminum salt C6H5N2Cl. This is B. And B on hydrolysis H2O RH plus. So on hydrolysis what will be given? When diazonium salt is hydrolyzed in presence of H2, convert into the phenol C6H5OH plus N2 and plus HCl. This is the product. C. Next question is given. Benzoic acid is treated with the ammonia. Question number 5. Question number 5. This is acetic acid, CH3 COH is treated with ammonia NH3, and then formations of A, and then NaOBr, sodium hypobromide, and B formations of B, and then it is treated with the NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 and HCl, then form C. So NaOBr is formed by the sodium hydroxide and bromine. This is the Hofmann bromide reaction. NaOH and Br formations of NaBr and NaOBr. So the same reaction is given, Hofmann bromide reaction. So first CH3COOH is treated with ammonia. I am writing the direct reaction. This is converted into benzamide, ethanamide, CuNH2. This is A, and sodium bromide. This is NaOH and Br2 after reaction formations of sodium hypobromide. This is NaOBr, and it converts into the CH3NH2. This is the product of product C, and this C, B, and this B is treated with NaNO2 and HCl. So diazotization NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius first is converted in diazonium salt, and then finally in presence of water it convert into the alcohol. So what will be the product? This is CH3N2Cl, and in presence of moisture or water it convert into CH3OH. And the last one is given nitrobenzene is treated with the Fe and HCl. Nitrobenzene, this is C6H5NO2 is treated with FeHCl. This is the reducing agent, formations of A, and A is treated with the nitrous acid HNO2 at very low temperature. This is 273 Kelvin. Formations of B, and B on hydrolyzed in H2O, that is formations of C. So what is the compound? So when nitrobenzene, this is C6H5NO2 in presence of reducing agent Fe plus HCl, this is formations of C6H5NH2, and in presence of nitrous acid HNO2 at 273 Kelvin, formations of benzene diazonium salt C6H5N2Cl, and in presence of H2O it convert into the C6H5OH phenol. So try to solve all these questions from the NCERT book, and later we will discuss about the next chapter of the carbohydrate or glucose. And if you have any questions from this chapter, you can ask on your Google Classroom. Thank you.